Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in a Kia Sportage. Turn on accessory power, enable Bluetooth on your phone, and open the car's Bluetooth menu to begin pairing right away. Select Add New Device on the infotainment, confirm the PIN match on both screens, and allow contact and media access when prompted. If pairing fails, restart both devices and clear old paired entries before retrying. Make sure your phone is ready by disabling airplane mode, closing other Bluetooth apps, and confirming Bluetooth visibility. Open the Kia UVO or infotainment Bluetooth settings and choose Pair New Device to start the handshake process. Follow on-screen prompts, accept pairing requests, and enable contact sync if desired. Test a call and audio playback after pairing, then adjust volume and voice prompt settings for clear hands-free use. If pairing fails, power cycle the car system and reboot your phone before trying again to clear temporary glitches. Make sure both the phone and infotainment software are up to date, and remove any outdated paired devices from the car's list to avoid conflicts. If audio does not play, verify phone and car media volumes, set Bluetooth as the audio source, and disable phone tethering, which can sometimes interfere with streaming. Contact Kia support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.